Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Librans. So on your side we have the Eight of Wands. Let's see what's on your person's side. The Fool, okay. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Four of Swords, okay. So with the Eight of Wands, you want to communicate with this person. On your person's side, we have the Fool. So definitely they are ready to take the leap of faith. They are ready to have a fresh beginning or a new beginning with you. And as far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Four of Swords. So I really don't see anything is happening. Okay, this is a lot of healing, a lot of thinking, and sort of inner work is going on. Just maybe wishing and praying to God things are okay, things will be okay one day, but nobody is making a move. Nobody is actually making a move and taking action. So you want to communicate, but I don't think you are actually communicating. They also are ready to take the leap of faith, but they are also not doing anything. And the energy here is that yes, both of you are focusing on yourself, just trying to focus on your self-healing rather than making a move. It can be because of the fact that perhaps both of you are not really sure as to how will the other person respond. That can be one reason that none of you is taking an action. Let's see anyway what that uh, actual reason is. Okay, it's just came to my mind, so I just put it out there. Let's see why is this Eight of Wands here on your side, Librans. So for the Eight of Wands, we have the World, the Hierophant, and the Tower. Okay. And the Fool. Four major cards out here. This is something really important. And something which is destined, which has to happen. Oof, and the Strength. All the major cards. Really unusual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just trying to have a clearer picture as to what this communication is. And what it is supposed to be, and what do you actually want to communicate. But the thing is, whatever this communication is, it seems to be something significant, something important as far as these cards are concerned. Okay. Okay, let's see what is this Fool here on your person's side. What is this Fool? Okay, why is this Fool here? Let's clarify the Fool. So for the Fool, we have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. Okay. Okay, let's clarify this Four of Swords now. Let's clarify this Four of Swords. So for the Four of Swords, we have the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay, with the Lovers. The Devil and the Justice. Justice card is, I think, really active since yesterday. It's there in all the readings. Maybe things are coming to light, things are really getting balanced perhaps. So as far as your side is concerned, Librans, we have the World, the Hierophant, Tower, the Fool, and the Strength. So whatever this communication is, it is perhaps it is it's going to, it is either going to change the entire situation. Maybe you want to clarify something, you want to say something which is going to change the dynamics basically. So it is, this communication is a significant communication which is actually going to change, which is actually going to bring a major change in this relationship, or in in both of your lives. It seems to be a communication which is going to change, or is going to bring a significant change in the dynamics of this relationship. It can be regarding some sort of a commitment, some sort of stability. It can be regarding that. It seems to be unexpected, totally. Okay, maybe a situation develops in which you have to communicate, or there is a desire to communicate, in which you really feel that now it's high time, I really need to talk, I really need to give this message across. So it is an unexpected communication perhaps, or it is a communication which is much needed, which you really feel it has to be delivered, something needs to be really said now, it's high time, I really need to put it across to my person. And it is going to change the dynamics of the relationship. Okay, and it is a communication which is really tough. It's requiring a lot of strength and perseverance to put it across to the person concerned. Okay, so, and it seems to be regarding the stability and the foundation, and the maybe the marriage, the commitment. It's something of that sort. It seems to be regarding that. Okay, or maybe it is going to change the dynamics in that aspect. It can be that also, but this is a significant communication. It is something which is destined, which will happen. Maybe you are actually you are thinking about it since a long time, that I need to say this, I should convey this message to the person, but it is such a message perhaps which is really requiring a lot of guts to be delivered, or perhaps the communication itself may not be as such. It's like maybe you people are not talking to each other, and now who to initiate itself requires a lot of strength. It can be something of that sort also. You're not talking to them, it's been a long time, and now you want to talk to them, you want to get back to them, and who should trigger, how should I start the communication? It can be that also. So it's something of that sort that is requiring a lot of strength on your part, but it is destined, it's going to happen, it's major, and it is going to affect the dynamics of this relationship. So the communication is a significant communication. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. Somehow the vibe which I am getting here is that this person, as I said initially, was maybe they want a new beginning with you. But what I feel here is this person is wanting a new beginning as such in their life. They are doing what they feel passionate about. They have tried to focus on themselves. They are happy in their own world. They are happy in their own life. They have perhaps turned their back on your side. They have taken the leap of faith. Okay, whatever happens will happen. Or maybe this communication has already happened between both of you, and now this person is turning the back. It can be that also. So this communication is going to change the dynamics of this relationship. Now it can be a patch up type of a communication, or a breakup, I don't know, because, or it maybe this has already happened, as I'm saying, since a long time you're not talking, and now you want to communicate, but in the meantime this person has already turned their back or made a move. This person was focusing on their own interests, on their own passions, and they have tried their best to sort of let go of the past and move ahead in their life, though there were phases that this person was really upset, and it wasn't easy for them to do so. But this person is actually wanting stability and commitment. Okay, maybe they are actually moving towards stability, commitment, family, and that type of that is what they want. And here it can be after this communication has happened that this person has decided to do this, or maybe since both of you, perhaps if you are not on talking terms and you want to communicate now, it was in that meantime that this person has drifted apart. It will be different for different people. As far as the most likely outcome is the Four of Swords, we have the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Chariot, the Lovers, the Devil, and the Justice. I was saying that maybe you want to reconcile. I was saying that because we have the Three of Cups here. So Three of Swords, definitely whatever has happened between both of you is a really painful situation. It's really heartbreaking. There's a lot of heartache over here, but you really want to reconcile. Both of you are trying to heal yourself. There is reconciliation, since it is coming up in the mutual uh, outcome. So maybe deep within both of you want a reconciliation, and maybe if you one of you approaches, the other person also agrees. It can be that also, because immediately it is being followed by the Chariot, the Lovers, the Devil, and the Justice. Again, the four major cards out here. So there is definitely a lot of passion over here. There's a lot of it's like Chariot, everything is after the reconciliation, everything is going to move forward very, very fast, wanted a rapid action. With the Lovers and the Devil and the Justice, what I feel is uh, in this relationship there is a lot of passion. Both of you sort of are addicted to each other. You can't stay without each other. It's something of that sort. A lot of temptation, a lot of addiction towards each other is there. And with the Justice and being the last card, what I feel is things will be sorted out and will be balanced. So maybe if they have shifted apart at whatever time frame this person has shifted apart, but they really want stability, commitment. So maybe if this is the communication on your side, if that is what you communicate to them, that you want to patch up or you want to reconcile, maybe this person is okay with that also. So let's see what is the guidance here. Spiritual connection. Number 27 may be of some significance for you. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. So Librans, you're dealing with somebody who is actually, maybe you know this person from the past, if you believe in that. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.